In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your VIP status on Dhgate and understand how to upgrade it. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Dhgate website. Once you're there, log into your account. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you use more than one for browsing or purchasing. This is important because your VIP information is tied directly to your order history and account activity. After you've logged in, move your cursor to the My Dhgate section near the top of the page. You don't need to click right away. Just hover over it and wait for the drop-down menu to appear. From that menu, click on My VIP. This will take you to the area where Dhgate shows your current VIP-related details. Once you're on the My VIP page, take a moment to review the information shown there. In particular, look for your accumulated business purchase amount and your order frequency. These two factors are important because they help determine your current VIP level and whether you're eligible to move up to a higher tier. The purchase amount usually reflects how much you've spent over time, while order frequency gives you an idea of how active your account has been. If your goal is to upgrade your VIP level, the next step is to continue completing orders until you meet the requirements for the designated tier. This means you'll want to pay attention to both the total amount of qualifying purchases and how often you place orders. If you're close to the next level, checking this page regularly can help you track your progress and understand what's still needed. In some cases, you may also see an option that says Join VIP Club. If there's an active promotional upgrade offer available, you can click that option to learn more or move forward with the promotion. This can be a helpful shortcut when Dhgate is running special offers related to VIP access or tier upgrades. That's all you need to do. Log in, open the My Dhgate menu, go to My VIP, review your purchase and order activity, and then either keep completing orders or use the Join VIP Club option if a promotion is available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.